This week's Dennis Baker State Farm Scholar Athlete of the Week is Jordan Bird from McKinney North High School. Jordan, a junior on the Lady Bulldogs golf team, is a 3-year varsity letter recipient. She was awarded Academic All-District her freshman and sophomore years, and she made first-team All-District last year. Jordan is ranked 12th in her class with a 4.39 GPA. She is a member of the National Honor Society, and she participates with the PALS mentoring program. Outside of school, Jordan works at Chick-fil-A, and she is a volunteer at the Smiles Charity Concert for Habitat for Humanity. That's Jordan Bird from McKinney North High School, our Dennis Baker State Farm Scholar Athlete of the Week.